Hi everyone, welcome to Eggless Cupcake Workshop. I would like to thank Wonder Woman Connect for giving me this opportunity to conduct this workshop. A special thank to Arpana, the president of Wonder Woman Connect. She is a dynamic woman who is empowering women all around the world. I am Setu Agarwal. I am a home baker and a founder of Delicious. Today I am going to teach you how to make simple eggless chocolate cupcakes with a vanilla buttercream frosting. As Rakhi is around the corner, you can make this for your siblings and loved ones. So now let's start making the cupcakes. For making the chocolate cupcakes, I will take one bowl and in which I will sift 53 grams of flour and I will put 3 grams of baking powder. I sift and I will keep it aside. Now I will take another bowl and in which I will put 50 grams of butter. You can take any Amul butter, any butter, salted or unsalted, whichever you want to take. So I have taken Amul butter unsalted, and then in this I will put 3 grams of vanilla essence. Now I am doing with the hand whisk. You can do with the mixer also, with the electric mixer also. So we will mix it till it becomes soft and fluffy. So approximately 3 to 4 minutes we will mix it to make it soft and fluffy. I am doing with the hand because the quantity is very less. So I am not using the hand mixer, but you can use the hand mixer. To 3 minutes I will do it so that it becomes soft and fluffy. The butter will become soft and fluffy. So quantity is less, that's why it will take a little bit long. Now see, it has become soft and fluffy. Now I will add 8 grams of castor sugar in this. And whisk it again for 2 to 3 minutes till the sugar gets dissolved properly. So we put the butter and vanilla essence. We whisk it for 2-3 minutes. Then I put 8 grams of castor sugar. And I will whisk it for another 2-3 minutes so that it gets fully dissolved. So it's very easy. See, sugar is getting dissolved. Now sugar is dissolved properly. Butter, vanilla essence, sugar is done. Now we'll put Milkmaid. I've taken 100 grams of Milkmaid, normal Milkmaid which we get from the market. So now we'll combine Milkmaid also with it. With now butter, vanilla essence, caster sugar and Milkmaid. See, everything is well combined. Soft and fluffy. See, everything is well combined. Now we'll put in this flour and baking soda which we kept aside. So now what we'll do, we'll put some flour and baking powder. Then I will put some milk. And then I will roll and fold. We have to do very softly so that there is no lumps, and we have to do this with a spatula. See. Now again we'll put little flour. And now I will put rest of the milk. I have taken 63 grams of milk. See, I am mixing very gently. Now I will put rest of flour. So now butter, vanilla essence, Milkmaid, caster sugar, flour and baking powder. Everything is, see, mixed well. We have to combine, but there should combine for another 1 minute so there is no lumps left. See, it will become like this. So it is. So we are making chocolate, eggless chocolate cupcake. So we need something to make it chocolatey. So now I will put some 10 grams of cocoa powder. Normal, any cocoa powder you get from the market. I'm using the normal cocoa powder. So I'm going to put 10 grams of cocoa powder. We have to sift it so that there is no lumps are there. So see if there is no lumps. Now again we will mix it properly. Very gently and softly. We have to mix so that no lumps are left. And see, everything should be well combined. So gently for another 2-3 minutes we have to combine it. See, it is well combined. So what I did, I can repeat it again. First I put the butter and vanilla essence. I whisk it for 2-3 minutes. And after that I put castor sugar and whisk it properly again, so that castor sugar is dissolved properly in it. And after that I put the milk maid, 100 grams of milk maid, and with the whisk only I mix it properly. Once they all are well combined, I put the flour and baking powder, and with the spatula, see with this spatula, I didn't use the whisk, I used the spatula to mix them properly. First I put the flour and baking powder, then some milk, then flour, and then milk, and then in final flour. So we have to really alternatively we have to put it. First flour, then milk, then flour, then milk. And then I have put, because we are making chocolate cupcakes, so I have put cocoa powder, 10 grams of cocoa powder. We have to sweat the cocoa powder because then there should be no lumps. If there is lumps, then your cupcakes will not bake it properly. So see, I have done it. See, now everything is mixed properly. See, it should be like this. It will be not much thick, it will be semi thick. See, now I have taken this tin. So this is the tin. You can make, I'm making 6 regular cupcakes out of this. You can make mini cupcakes also. And this is the normal liners, cupcake liners we get from the market. So I've just lined them properly. Thus I'm lining them properly. Now I will fill them with 3/4 of the mixture we have made. One more thing I want to tell, before I started making the cupcake, I put my oven on preheat at 170 degrees Celsius. So we always have to preheat our oven before making anything, cupcakes or cakes, anything, whatever you want to bake, always remember to preheat your oven. So my oven is already on for 10 to 12 minutes. Once I started the workshop, I on the oven. You can put in a piping bag also, but the mixture is less, so I'm doing with the spoon. So see, I'm filling it 3/4. So see, we'll tap once. See, they are ready. Now I will put in an oven for 15 to 17 minutes. See, I'm going to. So till our cupcakes get ready, I will teach you how to make a butter cream frosting. So So buttercream frosting I am making in this stand mixer. You all can make with a hand mixer also, with the hand also, but I am doing with this stand mixer. So for this I'm taking 100 gram of soft butter. See, this is normal Amul butter. You can take whichever you want, salted or unsalted, whichever cup but you want, you can take it. So I'm putting in this. So, and I'm put this pedal, I'm putting in this pedal. We have to use the pedal thing, not this one. So I'm taking 100 grams of butter. Just see the butter should be not so cold, it should be the room temperature. Otherwise your frosting will become very liquidy. And in this I am putting 160 gram of icing sugar. You will get icing sugar from the market because that it is very fine sugar, so we should use it. And before putting this icing sugar, we should always sieve the icing sugar. So in this I am putting 100 grams of butter, putting icing sugar, 160 gram of icing sugar, and you have to always sieve the icing sugar, flour, anything whatever you want to. So this is 160 gram of icing sugar. Sift it properly so that when you are doing frosting, because for doing frosting we will put in a paper bag so that there should be no lump should be left. So our cakes are baking and we are making buttercream frosting. Hope you all are enjoying. So we will leave this, some granules are left, I will leave this. So now first on a 1 speed I will do. So I have put 100 gram of butter and 160 gram of icing sugar, and I sieved the icing sugar. Now we are making buttercream frosting. Now I can fluffy and soft. See, it's becoming fluffy and soft. Now I will stop it and I will check everything and mix it properly. To see no icing sugar is left beneath. And in this I will put vanilla essence, 1.5 tablespoon of vanilla essence. We get from the market any vanilla essence, you can use it. I will put vanilla essence in this and I will combine it again. Normal milk 1.5 tablespoon of milk. Let me check whether our vanilla buttercream is ready or not. See, it's ready. It will not fail. See, it should not be. It should be like this thick, because we have to do frosting on the cupcake. So it should be like this. So now I will mix it properly. See, it have mixed properly. So what I've done, I put butter, icing sugar, vanilla essence and milk and combined together, and it have a buttercream have ready. Vanilla buttercream is ready. Now I've taken this normal piping bag we get from the market, and I've taken this knob. Any nozzle you can use. I'm using this nozzle. You can use any we get easily from the market. Let me clean it. So as you know, so many people are beginners. They are doing first time, might be learning frosting. So I always tell them to take the glass. It's easy to put the frosting, and then just see like this. You put it like this. See, I put it like this. So that your hands don't become dirty, everything is done very cleanly. You can do like this. Softly. So see our butter cake. So now I will teach you the technique how to hold it. Do the L of this, your index finger and thumb. Hold like this. Hold it like this, and then do like this and hold like this. Then I will cut from the with the scissors. And first you can try in this. See, any designs you can make. So our cupcakes are getting ready. Once they get ready, I will tell you how to do the frosting. But I made some cakes before this workshop, cupcakes, so that I can show you frosting, because the cupcakes which are baking, it will take another 15-20 minutes to get cool, and then only we can do the frosting, because if we do the frosting on the hot cupcakes, the frosting will all melt and it will not look good. So I've made some cupcakes. Already I made some cupcakes. See, they come like this. See, I've made some cupcakes. See, now I will show you how to do the icing on it. See, hold one cupcake. See, any design you can make. Any design you can make, so easy. And then you can decorate it with different sprinkles. See, I'm using this sprinkles. See, they are ready to eat. You can bake them. It's very easy. Rakhi is coming. Your siblings will love them. Your family will love it. See how they are coming. See. Yummy cupcakes, eggless yummy cupcakes are ready. Any questions? Anything anyone want to ask till the cupcakes are being baked? So I wanted to show the cupcakes once they come out of the oven, how they look. Any questions, anything anyone want to ask, they can write on this. I will be able to answer them. It was very easy recipe and it's all ingredients Aparna will share on the group, Wonder Woman group. Arpana will share on the Wonder Woman Connect group. You all can go through it. You can message her anything. You can send her pictures when you make cupcakes, so she can share it. So any questions? So Arpana is there, Shushma is there, Neena is there, Gitanjali is there, everyone, Ritu is there. Hope you all are enjoying the class. Having fun is very easy. So let me check with the toothpick. So we can check with the toothpick in the center of the cupcakes whether they are ready or not. Oh, pani aa gaya. So should I send you, Shushma, some cupcakes? So I'm going and checking it. Let me go and check it. Are they ready or not? See, our cupcakes are ready. So how we check it? I kept it for 10-15 minutes. You can check it like this. See, the toothpick is clean. So they are ready. And once they are ready, we have to keep it for 15-20 minutes to get cool. Because if we do the frosting on it, the frosting will melt. So see, our cupcakes, they are very hot. But I will show you. They are ready. They are looking yummy. You can eat like this also. If you don't want to do frosting, you all can eat like this also. Thank you everyone for attending. Happy Teach to everyone. Thank you for attending this workshop. Hope you all enjoyed. You all can, we will upload, Arpana will upload it on our Wonder Woman YouTube channel. You all can subscribe. You can watch the video again. And please post the pictures on the Wonder Woman Club or WhatsApp group so we all can see how they are looking. And please share your feedback also once you make this cupcakes, and anything you want to ask, you can WhatsApp me or Arpana. Hope you all enjoyed. Any questions? We have time. Or chalo, bye. Thank you everyone. Please share your pictures. I will also share my pictures of the cupcakes. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.